Welcome back to our channel. We hope you are doing well. We are back with another tech content. Earning money by digital resources always gives you strong vibes. You have definitely listened or have seen somewhere about earning through websites. What are they? What do they do and how to earn with PayPal? What platforms are safe? So, you are at the right spot. We will be giving you answers to these questions. So stay with us and let us start without wasting any time. Are you a beginner? You want to learn about new websites and apps that pay you money via PayPal? Which app is legit and which is a scam? I know you are confused now about these questions, but we have a proper solution for your concerns and doubts. We'll clear on watching this video to the end. Here we have a list of that app where you can make money by doing simple tasks and surveys. You can be able to earn a suitable amount from these apps, and these will give you an opportunity to earn online. In this way, thousands of people are making a suitable amount via this method. I personally know many people who find the right place for digital earning apps, and now they are earning well. Here the biggest problem is to find out the best apps which can provide you with an opportunity to earn money. Here we have a list for you to find the best money-making apps, and this surely reduces your efforts. On number 6, we have Mist Play. If you are an adorer of the games, then this website is for you. You can easily make money here by just simply playing games, and in the reward, you will get the amount in the form of dollars that can be received through PayPal account. Here, this app organizes the contents of different games, and almost all the games throughout the globe are invited to participate in these contents. And the winner of that contest receives the amount from the organizer that can be gained through the PayPal account. This is one of the best opportunities for those who are looking forward to earn money by spending most of their time on games. Here an opportunity is waiting for you, and there are a variety of games that are offered to you to play and earn the amount. You will get a reward from this website if you win any contest, and you can earn and you can redeem this amount in your PayPal account, and then you can redeem it in your personal account. Digital earning is one of the best ways, and you can enhance your gaming skills here by communicating with different experts here. On number 5, we have Drop. This is an online shopping store where you can sell or purchase anything which you owe or need. And in the world of this digital trade, you will get the profit that can be redeemed via PayPal account, and you can easily make money here by just setting your profile here. There are no registration charges here for anything and joining. You can join this totally free. There are a lot of opportunities for those who are connected with the digital marketing and have some basic knowledge of it. Almost all electrical appliances are widely purchased and sold here, and in this reward, you will get profit. The working mechanism is very simple. On any selling Drop will receive a 10% commission of the total price of the product, and the remaining profit is yours. This is such a very legit app, and I personally know many people who are making a handsome amount from this app, and their journey continues. By increasing the range of products, you can easily make a suitable amount here. On number 4, we have Prize Rebel. This app is designed to make surveys and to accomplish little tasks assigned by companies and people to the user, and in the reward, you will get points and gift cards. And these points and gift cards can be converted into your PayPal account by associated with it. Here you can sign up for free without any registration fee, and some companies and people will approach you and ask you to fulfill your tasks. On the completion of tasks, you will get the reward money in the form of points that can be converted into the actual money, and you can redeem it in your PayPal account. Here you can be assigned to make a survey about these little things, trends, and brands. And at the completion, you will get your reward money. This is such a legit app because there are a lot of people in my profile that are connected with it, and they are making sensible amount here. This platform is for beginners because there is no need to be a high profile skills here. Just your hard work and you will get a better reward. On number 3, we have Pinecone Research. The joining procedure of this app is a little bit fluffy, and you can be able to make a sensible amount by joining. If you will try to join this with authentic access, then you will easily join it. And you are just needed to make a mark and make sure that product and thing is on trend. And you are just needed to interrogate the reason behind the popularity of that product. By making this research, you will get the amount by the websites that you can be redeemed to your PayPal account. On number 2, we have user testing. The main function of this app is to make the test of meeting the criteria of any product. You are just needed to make a test of given product, and on providing the feedback, you will get the amount that can be redeemed through your PayPal account. You can easily earn $10 per test if you do that test in a very sensible manner and do the actual tasks that the users want to have. There is such a very legit way for those who are looking for some digital earning sources and want to make money there. Signing up here is totally free. There's no need to pay any fee on the spot of joining. By simply joining it, you can make money here. Finally, on number 1, we have Upwork. This is a freelancing working app where almost 50 million people are gathered. Here, thousands of jobs are posted by the clients, and the seller can adopt that job if he or she will be eligible. There are a variety of opportunities on this application. Almost all the persons can find the job relevant to their niche. This is such a very legit app. Even personally, I have experience of it. You can use this app without any hesitation and doubt because it is one of the most reliable app on the whole world. Signing up on this app is totally free. You can join the Upwork community without any fee. Just set your profile here, and after approval, you are just needed to find the job relevant to your skills, and you will start earning after the completion of tasks. Thanks for watching the video. We hope it gave you an idea about the platforms for mining bitcoins and you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, then give us a like and comment and share with your friends. We uploaded this kind of creative videos. So subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you can access more tech facts. This information will serve as a guide for you if you're looking for online earning sources. After that information, you will surely be able to select the right platform for you, which is according to your taste, and it needs minimum efforts from your side. Now you can be able to get the best choice for you, which can be most suitable to you, and this will surely such a plus point for you over those who are totally blind for this awareness. As per our information, we have to get your desired information regarding the best online earning sources on the internet. Please subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel to get more informative videos like this. In order to get notifications of our further informative videos, press the bell icon. In this way, you will stay connected with us.